Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechWhat Solutions, and yes, you did read the title correctly. So one of the things that I'm going to be doing, and one of the ways that I want to start this video off by saying is, just because I'm buying Tesla and going in aggressive, in no way does this mean that you should as well. This, of course, does not have to go according to plan, just like any trade does not have to. One of the things that I've been doing is I've been really taking advantage of Tesla since its addition to the S&P 500, and I've been there along the way. A lot of you guys have seen that my trading style or focus has at least changed from trading the two inverse ETFs of TQQQ and SQQQ, and now really focused a lot more on tech stocks. And it's just because, again, I have seen just more success with that focus itself, and Tesla being a big part of that. I want to share with you, and I'm just going to keep it super short and sweet. As of right now, I hold about 250 shares, which amounts to about $200,000, a little bit over $200,000 in Tesla. As of right now, I'm up a little bit over $4,000 on the day, and I added more to my position size today. You would have seen it if you're part of the Learn Plan Profit Group, and I bought more during the live trading session. I started this initial purchase as of yesterday. So because Tesla was selling off, and one of the things that I said in yesterday's video is I bought 150 shares as it broke below 820. I began to load up on Tesla. I want to share with you my plan, and this plan is in no way to encourage you or motivate you. It's simply to kind of just showcase what it is that I see value in, how it is that I plan to take advantage of an opportunity, and you guys can simply let me know in the comment section if you agree or disagree. The beautiful thing about the stock market is that you are the final decision maker on where you choose to put your money, and this is simply where I choose to focus my attention right now. So I hope that I earn your thumbs up. Let's go ahead and get started. One of the main focuses that I have is I like to put my money in something that has been showing signs of growth. You can say whatever it is that you want of Tesla, but I think it's very hard to ignore the idea that for the past 3 to 4 months, it's been super bullish, and I want to put my money in something that's been showing signs of growth. So with that thing being said, and looking at the technical side, my first focus is I wanted to make sure I take advantage of Tesla when I found it to be a better deal, because there's a common resistance level right around $875 to about $900. We haven't been able to really break above $900. That's a common resistance range. That's my ideal sell price. I will probably begin to sell even as it breaks above $850. You guys know that I tend to sell too early. As Tesla began to sell off, I began to ask myself, where is a common support level in Tesla? And that tends to be at around $800. The last time that it reported earnings, it acted as a negative catalyst. Normally, earnings tend to create overreactions anyways, which is why I think we dropped a little bit below $800 for a short period of time and then quickly recovered. I, in a sense, want to try to see if I can repeat the same thing that happened last time, as all I focus on is position size. And what I mean by that is when we reach these overbought levels, I hold very small positions in size, meaning that a very small dollar amount in Tesla or in any stock. Think about it, right? And why do I do that? Well, because it's a very common resistance level, and it doesn't mean that it can't break above it. It just means that it tends to get rejected. So why would I want to buy or be super aggressive at those levels? Once Tesla begins to sell off and it approaches a previous support level, it doesn't mean that it has to bounce, and this is why I'm telling you this as I'm in Tesla. Tesla can break below the SMA line, it can make lower lows, and you can lose money, right? Just like with any trade, there's two sides to every opportunity. But based off of previous support levels and based off of how bullish it's been showing a very solid indication of a support here, and we'll see what follows. But because of that, I decided to buy a couple shares of Tesla, 250 being the shares that I bought, and I plan to buy an additional 50 shares once it begins to indicate signs, and if it begins to indicate signs of an uptrend. So again, the support level being right around that $790 range to about $800 being that common support level, and then the overall resistance level being right around that 880 range. So this isn't that it offers huge margin, huge potential, or anything like that. If you don't agree with me, then again, I'm not here to convince you. I'm simply here to express and share with you why I decided to buy Tesla now based off of previous patterns and bullish tendencies, and where I plan to sell Tesla based off of previous patterns and what it's done in the past, in just the past week, really, because that's when it reported earnings. I think 2 weeks ago is when it sold off, and then it recovered right away. So from overall support levels to overall resistance levels, it offers nearly a 10% ROI. We'll see if we can make it happen. I just wanted to share a video with you guys showcasing where I plan to buy, where I plan to sell, And if it breaks below the SMA line, I'll most likely reduce my position size, but I still plan to hold a portion of Tesla, even if it does begin to sell off, just of course rebalancing my position and making it something a little bit more in which I can tolerate. So patterns and goals are something to work towards, not something that you have to hit every single day. Just wanted to do my part in sharing my plan with you, and whatever stock it is that you see value in, make sure you comment those down below, as I would love to have a little bit of a better understanding where you're seeing value and where you focus your time and attention. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think. Would you buy Tesla at these levels? Are you going to wait for confirmation for the break above the EMA line? That's a more conservative approach, but definitely something that I would encourage if you're someone that tends to buy into early. Or would you not touch Tesla at all? And rightfully so. Everyone's entitled to their own opinion. So I'm really excited to kind of hear you guys out. Don't forget to join our free Facebook group. We have a little bit over 304,000 members within our TechBot Solutions Facebook group. That's that first link in the description, and a great way to connect with like-minded individuals. If you guys want to watch me trade live as soon as tomorrow, I trade live every single day with the Learn Plan Profit group, and that's that second link down below. Until then, we'll see you guys on the next one. Take it easy, team.